Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable autoplay GIFs in groups on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've noticed that GIFs aren't playing automatically in your group chats, don't worry, it's just a setting you need to turn on. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on them. This will open the main menu where all your options are located. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced section. Click on it to access more detailed controls for your app experience. Now, under Advanced Settings, look for the option labeled In Groups. This section controls how media behaves specifically in group chats. Click on In Groups, and you'll see different media options. Find the toggle for GIFs. If it's turned off, GIFs won't play automatically in your group conversations. To fix this, simply enable the GIFs option. Once you've done that, click on Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Now, when you go back to your group chats, GIFs should start playing automatically without needing to click on them. This small setting can make your conversations feel much more dynamic and fun.